Cloaked App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how often your personal data is shared online without you realizing it. Cloaked aims to change that in 2025 by giving users control over their digital identity. Cloaked is a privacy app that creates virtual phone numbers, email addresses, and payment cards. These act as shields between you and companies, reducing spam and data exposure. Setting it up is simple. You generate cloaked identities and use them for sign-ups, subscriptions, or online shopping. Messages and calls are forwarded to you without revealing your real information. One major pro is security. The surprising truth is that using masked identities significantly reduces phishing and spam. Cloaked also allows you to turn off identities instantly if they're compromised. However, most people get this wrong by expecting it to be free. Cloaked is subscription-based, and some users may not need all features. Occasional delays in message forwarding have also been reported. In conclusion, Cloaked is best for privacy-conscious users. If you want fewer spam calls and more control over your data, Cloaked is a smart digital defense tool in 2025.